Hi friends, I'm here to tell you about Spellbinders March 2025 releases. I have one of the releases in my hand right now. This card I created from one of the February releases. That's using the scallop journal cards. I used the floral arrangement from the scallop journal cards and two of the journal cards to create this center focal point on my card. And then from the new February release, I used the Cross My Heart 3D embossing folder. I want to show you, this is so adorable. It has this lattice crisscross shape or impression, and it also has these puffy hearts that are so adorable. I really love them. All of the products that I list or show you in this video, you can look in the description box below for a link. It is an affiliate link, which means I do receive a small portion of the sale at no additional cost to you. It's an arrangement that I have with Spellbinders, so it is at no additional cost to you, but it does help out my channel, so I would appreciate it if you're interested in purchasing any of these items that you do use my link to get to the Spellbinders website. So, like I said, this card was created with the scallop journal cards from the Simply Vintage Flower Shop release from last month. And this 3D embossing folder is from the Gorgeous You release. And there's also, there are a couple of die sets. I only received the Gorgeous You makeup, and this has the eyeshadow palette with the little applicators, has like mascara and lip gloss, an applicator brush, lipstick, nail polish, and like a little serum bottle or whatever you want to use that one for. And here are the cards that I created with that die set. And I just used that 3D embossing folder on this one as the background and adorned it with all of the, not all of the makeup, but several of the makeup dies. Super cute if that's your thing. This one I did a clear embossing with a script background stamp, and that's just on some ivory cardstock, and I'm not sure if you can even see it on camera, but it's similar to the first card I showed you. So that's the Gorgeous You makeup die set and the Cross My Heart 3D embossing folder. Okay, next, this is a really fun release. Sorry, I lost my words there for a second. Okay, we're going to start off with the the release is called Little Smiles, and it's very baby child-like. And this is the Little Smiles Sentiments impression plate for the Better Press. It has sentiments that say, zooming by to say you're amazing, your little miracle is here, delivering tiny fingers, tiny toes, and a bundle of joy. Welcome to the world of moonlit dreams and starry skies. Hello, baby. Wishing you a wild and wonderful day. Buckle up for a balloon-filled adventure. Happy birthday and congratulations. Now, the press plate comes with all of the sentiments on one plate and then a die to cut all of those sentiments out. So what I do is I include a little baggie of all the sentiments that I haven't used yet, and then I have them available just, you know, to really quickly put together a card. So this is a real fun press plate. I also wanted to tell you that I have a giveaway, and if you wait till the end of this video, I will explain the giveaway that's going on now, and it ends on at midnight on March 13th, and that's Thursday. Okay, so another press plate for this release is the Falling Stars, and this creates a starry background, and there's a Wishing Stars 3D embossing folder. Oops, I'm not all the way on camera here. That you can pair these up so that you do the press plate and get your Better Press letterpress image on your cardstock. Then you turn the cardstock landscape style, and you can impress the stars from the Wishing Stars 3D embossing folder, and they will be intermingled. I'm not sure if you can see that on this example here. They'll be intermingled, the letterpress stars and the 3D embossed stars. So I didn't do that on my cards. Let me show you an example. Here is where I've done the letterpress. I've just used the Better Press plates and some die cut stars to adorn the background of this card. And this card, I used the embossing folder, the debossed side of the cardstock, and then just covered it with some navy ink to give me that blackout embossing folder look. So it created the white stars and the navy background. So there's that. Okay, now to the die sets. This one is my favorite. I always say that, but I really love this. There's a stork and these babies, and they come with little hats and a bonnet with a bow, little dighties and little booties, so you can dress your baby up. And I just did it with the stork holding the baby in the little bundle. I think that's super cute. And it also comes with this cloud die so that you can create like a cloudy sky scene. What I did was I cut from a piece of cardstock using that cloud border, and then just did some ink blending of white ink on some navy cardstock to create a night scene for my stork and my baby. So, and this is one of the Better Press sentiments from the Little Smile Sentiment set. Super cute. I love this stork. It comes with a little hat that you, kind of like a postal hat, or that, you know, he's making the delivery of the baby. I think it's so cute. Okay, so there's that. And it comes with all these little stars, and I think I explained the rest of that. So there we go. Okay, next. So we have the Swinging Among the Stars. And this comes with a hippopotamus or an elephant that you can put in your little star balloon basket here. But there's a neat little hidden gem that you can make it swing. The little elephant in the balloon, or same, what did I do with my, I forgot my hippo. And the hippo can swing in the basket too. And what you do to get that to swing is, I just put a doubled up, let me show you the die. Okay, so the die has this is the ropes that hang down to the basket. And at the top, there's this circle cutout. And so what I did was I doubled up 2 small foam squares, and I put that, attached it to the back of the star, and then I added some additional foam squares just along the top portion of the star so that it would swing freely, but it won't swing beyond that point because there's some square, what do you call them, foam squares right along here, so it stops it from swinging all the way around. Isn't that adorable? And this one comes with the clouds, the large star, small stars so that you can scatter them among the background. The basket, and these I think are for behind the star so that you can create the eyes and then the little cheeks for the star. And it's really easy to put together. There are score marks to show where the different layers go on the pieces, so you know where to put the arm and where to put the little ears, the insides of the ears. So those are super cute, and that is called Swinging Among the Stars. Okay, next. This is so cute. Okay, this is called Go-kart Go, and it has a bunny or a monkey that you can put in the little go-karts, and the go-karts are layered with the tires and the color layer and the base layer underneath, and then the lights and the tail lights and the headlights, and then it has the balloons that you can attach to the back of them. I used a little sentiment from the Little Smile Sentiments that says, "Zooming by to say you're amazing," and so that's the Go-kart Go die set. And there's some little flowers that you can include with the little leaves. Oh, it also has a steering wheel. I think I've covered everything on that one. And just like the elephants and the elephant and the hippo, the layers for the monkey and the bunny are embossed in there, so you know exactly where the different pieces go to layer up your little critters. That's the same for the little go-kart. The base piece has embossed marks, so you know where to put the top layer and the wheels, etc. And same with the little bear balloon and the little smiley balloons. Super cute. Okay, so that's it for the March 2025 releases. Okay, so I am giving away a die set from LDRS Creative that's called Birthday Twisty Treats, and then there's the LDRS Birthday Wishes that comes with the sentiment stamp set, a die set, and 4 stencils. Let me open this up so you can see. And to win this bundle of goodies, let's see, oh, you're getting too much of a shine. Okay, so here's the Birthday Wishes die set that has the balloons, celebrate, birthday, and those are, the sentiments come with also a layer, or a, what is that called? I forget. The background layer. I forget what that's called. Oh my goodness. Anyways, lots of birthday sentiments to include inside and outside of your card. And then 4 stencils that you can use to stencil your backgrounds because they're large enough for an A2 background. Or you can stencil your balloons. And let me grab a piece of cardstock so you can see the back of, or see these. So we have a kind of a peppermint stripe type stencil. Then there's, these are scattered hearts and polka dots. Then there's like scattered dots or bubbles or polka dots type stencil. And then there's this curved stripe stencil that would look really good on the balloons to show some dimension. Because it's curved, it would look nice on a circle or the oval balloons. So I'm giving that away. There's a link in the description box below for the video that you have to watch in order to get the secret word that you have to include. And it also has the entry form located in the description box below the video that the link is in for this video. Am I making sense? I hope so. So go to the video where the link is listed below in the description box. Watch that video and you will get the secret word. In that video, in that description box, is a box for the entry form. You also have to sign up for my newsletter to qualify to win. I will be doing the drawing on after midnight on March 13th, and we'll notify the winner via email. So make sure that you have my email address as one of your contacts so it will go in your inbox. My email address is admin, ADMIN, at cardsbyshannonlee.com. This was a little bit of a scattery video, I know. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Really helps me out. Lets YouTube know that you like my videos, and it will put it out for more people to see, and that really helps my channel out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.